Earning $20,000 on Google AdMob is very possible. Earning $20,000 MRR, monthly recurring revenue, from Google AdMob or in-app purchase on your mobile applications is very, very possible. Imagine being so rich to be able to gift someone $20,000 US. Yes, $20,000 US. It's very, very possible. Let's watch this video I saw online. There is a video I saw online recently where a guy was gifted $20,000. So let's play this video. You see it.
So they brought my birthday gift. My godmother is the only one that gave me this birthday gift today.
You can see, if you are not rich, nobody will care about you. This guy that is making this video is already rich, and then they are now gifting him $20,000. That's like 35 million naira. For God's sake. So let's play it. So he's trying to, he's trying to open the gift now. He's trying to open the gift now. This is how much?
Thank you so much.
This is $20,000. So you can make this money from Google AdMob. It's quite possible. It's just simple calculation. If you have strength and I have knowledge, I will beat you in a battle. You can't compare knowledge and strength. There is strength in knowledge, unlimited strength in knowledge. The goal of what we are doing is not money. The goal is basically freedom. Because money can finish. Money finishes, but freedom never ends. If you sell your freedom for the money, then there's going to be a big problem. If you want to make $20,000 from Google AdMob, it's very logical. It's very, very logical. If you want to make like $20,000 every single month from, let's say, your software business, it's very, very possible. And it has to do with logic, not just emotion. Don't be pushed by emotion. So imagine having $20,000. Let's convert to naira based on current exchange rates. Like 34 million naira every single month from your software business, your app business, either from Google AdMob or from maybe in-app purchase. Maybe your app is published on Google Play Store or on Apple App Store or on both platforms. So this 34 million naira divided by 30. That's like 1 million naira every single day. Let's convert this thing back to $20,000. $20,000 divided by 30 days. That's like $666 every single day. You can see how simple it is now. The goal is to come up with simple solutions. Just imagine the AI you have now. We have ChatGPT, we have DeepSeek, we have other AI models. This thing just came up with a simple idea, not a complex idea. They came up with a simple idea to build a tool that people can easily use to access information. As of last 4 years, 5 years ago, where ChatGPT was not here, DeepSeek was not here, no other AI was here. You have to basically go to Google and search and Google whatever you want to Google. If you have an assignment, whatever you are doing, you must go there and research and write them out. Write each and every of your the information you have gathered, write them out, gather them, and then you can now compose it into something. But now you can literally use AI to write books, to do animations and the likes. You can even create realistic videos with AI now. So the world is a world of endless possibilities. The aim of technology is to make things easier, not more difficult. So if we are doing no coding on building mobile apps and games using our own intelligence, using our own imagination and our creativity, that means we're on the right path. If you want to build a simple website, you don't have to start going to learn maybe HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and the likes for you to come up and build a simple, responsive website. You can build a website with a couple of website builders we have now. Any of them. We have WordPress, Wix, Hostinger website builder, and a lot of others. We have AI website builders these days. We have AI mobile app builders. You can literally vibe code your app. You'll be seeing the source code. You'll be seeing the code. AI will help you code your app and build it from your own prompt. So the word is coming here whereby you don't need to program an app again. You just need to type in English and then the computer will program it for you. So this is the advantage of what? Of technology. Now it's possible for you to make this kind of money, $20,000 every single month from Google AdMob. Simple calculation. $666 divide by 24 hours. We have like 24 hours in a day. So if you have an app on Google AdMob that has, let's say, that makes like $660 every day, then that's like in 24 hours time. So you are supposed to be making approximately $27.75 every single hour. We have 60 minutes in an hour, so divide 27.75 by 60. That's like 0.4 cents every single minute to be able to earn this amount of money. There are some apps, if you divide these $27 you are supposed to make in an hour, every hour for 24 hours before you make that $666 in a day. If you divide this particular $27 by let's say five in 5 places. That is like if your eCPM is like $5. If your eCPM is $5, you'll be able to, and you are getting like 5,000 impressions on your app, and eCPM is like $5, you'll be able to make $27.75 in an hour. If your own eCPM is like $12, you can divide this thing, let's say, into 2 places. If your eCPM is around $13, that means $27.75 you can make it in an hour with what? With just 2,000 impressions on your app. With 2,000 impressions. And the goal is to build app with high eCPM. So let's be realistic in this term. So if your own app has like $2.7 eCPM, which is the cost that Google will pay you for every 1,000 ad views, and you can generate like 10,000 ad views impression in an hour, that means you can make the same amount of money. So let's maintain averagely now. Your app is generating like, let's say, 5,000 impressions an hour. That's like $5.55 eCPM. $5.55 is my eCPM. That is the cost Google pays me for every 1,000 ad views. And I'm expected to make like $27.75 every hour. And then for 24 hours, I'm going to be making like $666. And for 30 days, I'll be making like $20,000. So if your eCPM is around $5.55, you will now times this by 5 times. That's 5,000 ad views per hour. So if this hour my app has like 5,000 impressions, that's like I've earned $27.75. Now what we're going to do next is what? Let's times this by what? By 24 hours now, times 24. That means I've earned like $666 in one day. How many impressions have I gotten? How many advertisements does my app run in a day? 5,000 ads impression times 24. That's like 120,000 ad views. If you dedicate like 1 year for Google AdMob, specifically for Google AdMob, with App Store that is very, very safe, like the Apple App Store, or you are maybe combining both Apple App Store and the Google Play Store, and you dedicate like 1 year of your time for your Google AdMob account, develop high quality app, promote the app continuously. We have apps like TikTok, we have apps like Facebook. They are still promoting their applications. If you delete Facebook right now, you will see Facebook advertisement in the next how many minutes. These companies worth billions of dollars, hundreds of billions of dollars. They basically have billions of downloads, but they're still promoting their app. So who are you not to promote your app? Whatever app you have, if you want to grow well online, don't just come up and say, okay, you want to build every kind of app. No, build a simple solution. Build a simple app that renders simple solutions. Then promote the app across times. So let's say you have like an app that has clicked 100,000 downloads. If you make like $1,000, invest $200 in ads, you're going to make more money from that. So if you dedicate like 1 year of your time for Google AdMob, you're going to do it. I'm not saying everybody must exactly hit $20,000 on Google AdMob. But you can what? You can either get it through Google AdMob, or you can basically, proceed to maybe in-app purchases and the likes. Combined earning is going to come in dollars. So I'm trying to be realistic with Google AdMob in this case. If your app can generate 120,000 ad views every day, there are blog websites that are generating 120,000 page views every single day. If your app can generate 120,000 impressions, then you are good to go. 120k impression every single day with $5.55 eCPM, which is cost per 1,000 ad views. If you can generate up to that is $5.55 times what? 120. That's like 120 impression a day. People are making more than this particular amount on Google AdMob every single day. So what will happen now is what? Let's times this one by 30 days now. Times 30 days. That is 19,980, approximately $20,000. So this thing is quite possible. If you want to learn how to develop apps and games using no-code tools to be able to publish on Google Play Store and to be guided to publish on the Apple App Store and to monetize with Google AdMob and in-app purchases, click on the link in the description and join the course. So what's going to happen here is what? Convert it back to Naira, and that's like 33 million or 34 million approximately. From this particular amount, let's say if you earn this particular amount a month, you will now take a portion of it, like 3 million Naira or 5 million Naira, and put it into advertisements. On the course, you're going to learn how to develop this kind of app, QR code scanner. Let's search for one of these apps. You can see, look at QR code scanner. Nobody will tell you that someone is making money from QR code scanner. You will not believe it. You will not believe it. Look at it, 5 million plus download. Look at this one, 500 million plus download. Look at this one, 100 million plus downloads. Look at them. They are all sponsored. They are all promoting their app. You can see the competition here. They are running Google ads now. Despite the fact that this guy has like 500 million plus downloads, this one have like 100 million plus downloads, they are still promoting their app. for you to know how possible, the possibilities to make money online is endless. So this is just a simple camera app that scans QR code. Any QR code it scans, it will give you the information like this. If it scans a QR code, it will give you the information. Then you can copy the information. You can mail the information. If it's a phone number, you can call. If it is a map coordinate, you can basically go to the map ASAP. If it's a phone number, you can basically save it as contact. And if it is an information to share, you can basically share it. So this is just a simple QR code app. You can develop this very app using no code. So imagine coming up, you can look at big companies, 4.8 ratings, 3 million reviews. That's insane. They own 500 million plus downloads. It's crazy. This guy just monopolized and got everything here on this particular niche. So let's scroll down. He did not start in a day. Rome was not built in a day. This guy started since 2015. So this is like 10 years on the Google Play Store. 2015. 500 million plus downloads. He updated the application February 2025. So you can pick up the opportunity. If this app was published 2015, not many people from 2015 to 2020 still have this app on their phone. You cannot just be using the phone since 2015 and you have not changed this. So that means the market share is down already. Basically, those who are going to be using this app now are people that are maybe from, let's say, 2021 till date. So now you have a space to build your own app as well. If you go back here, and then let's get to the second one, 100 million downloads plus. You can see this one has like 432k reviews and 4.9 ratings and 100 million downloads. So it's the same thing. Simple QR code that scans app, scans barcode, and gets you the information. Well, let's preview the content of the app here. This one was released in 2021. This is what I told you guys. You can develop another one. This 2021. April 30th, and it has hit like 100 million downloads. What if you were in this position? You have built an app in 2021, and in 2025, barely 4 years later, you have like 100 million downloads on your app. All these apps you are seeing are making money from Google AdMob. Google AdMob is the main way. The in-app purchase of this particular app is not too big. You can see 1,240. So if you want to get the pro version of this app, you just pay 1,240 naira per month to be able to get the pro version. So here's it. Imagine out of the 100 million people, at least there are 100,000 people or 1 million people out of them that will be ready to make the payment of 1,240 times 1 million people. That is like 1.2 billion. Let's convert it back to dollars. That's like $729,000. I believe that app there is making at least $1 million from Google Play Store every single month. A simple QR code scanner app. You can basically do this using no code. The whole thing is build a simple solution. Follow your dream. It has like 15 million plus downloads. Let's test this first one. You're going to see how it is. Let's download it and play through it. You see that it is displaying Google AdMob ads. My data connection is on. So while using the app, so now this is a QR code scanner. My data is on. You can basically flash it. You can basically select an image from your phone to scan automatically. You can see, look at the ads. Google AdMob ads is showing down here. You can see, this is how it is. You can scan. The main thing, the reason why people are downloading this app is to basically scan QR. Once they scan a QR, it will take out the information. So what I'm trying to show you guys here is what? Look at it. Look at the Google AdMob ads I want you guys to see. Do you know how many impressions they are generating in a day with over 100 million plus downloads? This is the app, 100 million plus. This one has like 500 million plus downloads. So imagine if, let's say, 1% of the app are making use of this app every day. At least 1% of them. 1% is like 5 million. So imagine 5 million people making use of this app every single day. 5 million active users. That's 1% of the app. Maybe the time they're doing that, they are seeing like 5 advertisements. That's 5 advertisements per person. That's like 25 million ad views. If they're generating 25 million ad views per day from that kind of app, and I believe it's going to be more than that. And let's say their ECPM is around $4.5 every single day. $4.5 ECPM times 10,000 ad views. That's like 10. That's $45. Times 100,000 ad views. Times 1,000, which is 1 million ad views. Times 10,000, which is 10 million ad views. Therefore, 25 million ad views is going to be around 25,000. So their ECPM, the cost they get paid for every 1,000 ad views is $4.5. $4.5 times 25,000, that's about $112,000. This 25,000 is the cost of all the 25 million ad views. So if they are paying them $4.5 for every 1,000 ad views, that means for the 25 million ad views, they are going to be generating $112,000 every single day from Google AdMob. Times this by 30 days. That's like 3.3 million US dollars every single month from Google AdMob alone. There are a lot of companies that are doing well. A lot of companies are doing well. They're generating revenues. That particular app, you see, could be owned by one single individual. A single individual could build a QR code scanner app. The $20,000 we initially intended to make from Google AdMob, as stated in the beginning of the video, is nothing compared to $3,375,000. It's nothing compared to this. So at least if the app with the 500 million plus downloads could get at least 1% of the app users to basically use the app on a daily basis, and then that means they're going to be generating approximately $3 million or $3.3 million every single month from Google AdMob. If it is possible for a QR code scan app, then it's going to be possible for you. If you are interested in making money from AdMob and in-app purchases, building apps and deploying them on Google Play Store and on Apple App Store without actually having to code, and as well building games and monetizing them with Google AdMob and in-app purchase without actually having to code, click on the link in the description now and join us in class.